Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the easiest and cleanest way to cut copper pipe. Now to do that we're going to be using this small copper pipe cutter along with a couple of brushes to clean up the ends afterwards. Now before you go buy your pipe cutter, just take a look at the side. They'll usually identify the size that they're capable of cutting. This particular one can cut as small as 1/8 of an inch outer diameter pipe all the way up to 5/8 of an inch outer diameter. You can get bigger ones, so just make sure you have the right one for the job. So we're going to take it and open it all the way up. If you look, there's a couple rollers where the pipe will rest on, and you have your cutter up here. So we're just going to put the pipe into the cutter, rest it on the rollers, and then we twist it down and just wiggle it to make sure it's nice and even. Twist it till you can't twist it anymore. And then we're going to twist the cutter around, and you'll notice it makes a small groove cut there. It'll be very firm for resistance. Once you feel it get a little looser, just tighten down the dial a bit more. Keep on twisting. And repeat the process. And you'll see it's getting deeper. And just like that, cuts it nice and clean. Now this brush is for the outside, and again, it'll tell you the size that it's capable of cleaning. Stick that on the end of your pipe and twist it just like that. That'll clean the outside of the pipe. And then this one here, again, same thing. Make sure you get the right one. That goes inside your pipe to clean the inside. And now your pipe is cut to length, nice and clean and ready to solder. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.